Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, this is Raising Grace, and welcome if you guys are new. Today's video, we're gonna get right into it. It is a Valentine's Day decor haul. So I didn't go too crazy for Valentine's Day, but I did pick up a few things that were super cute, so I knew I had to show you guys. Also, sorry about the bad lighting. I'm filming this around 8:15 at night, so I'm in my room with my fluorescent lights on, and that's pretty much as good as it gets tonight. Let's go. This year I'm trying to be more intentional and minimal, but I am still going to decorate. So I did pick up a few things. My first store I went to was Marshall's, and I got this gorgeous pillow. It says "Love You Most," and it's just like a lumbar pillow for the couch, and it was $19.99. I also found another little lumbar pillow that says "Love" that I'm gonna put on the couch. Love the detail of this pillow. I just thought it was so darling with the pom-poms and the fringe on the sides. And this one I got for $12.99. I only got one thing from Walmart. I had a wreath like this for the last 4 years that we lived here, and it held up really well, surprisingly. This is their heart wreath from Celebrate It, and it's just the garland heart wreath, and it has a little bit of the purple in there, and I think this was like $4.90 something. It was under $5, so I picked up 2 of these, and like I said, surprisingly it held up really well for the last 4 years, so I knew I had to pick up another one for our front and back doors. And my only reason that I got a new one was that it began to fade. The color began to fade from the sun. Other than that, these things hold up really well, guys. I did get something from Big Lots. I had to go back and get this. I saw it and I loved it, and it was $10, and it is just this little, I wonder if this is the right way. That's the right way for you guys. There we go. It's just this little cute love sign, and it lights up pink. I just thought that was so cute. I figured my kids will get like a kick out of this, and I thought this would look so cute sitting on our TV stand downstairs. Now let's get into the Target stuff. I got a ton from there. The first thing I picked up was this cute little sweets jar, 25 cents. I just thought that was really cute, and it was $3 in the Target dollar spot. And I'm planning on putting some heart treats in here, maybe some like heart Reese's or something, and I thought that would be adorable. Plus I love the fact that it's like a purpley pink red, but it says sweets 25 cents. So I could probably get away with using this for Christmas and all different holidays because it doesn't have like a big old heart on it. So I thought it would be pretty versatile. Next, I picked up these mugs, which it says "You Are My Favorite." This is my favorite buy that I did, and they're just these cute little glass mugs, and the one has X's and O's all over it, and the other one says "You Are My Favorite," and these were $5 from the Target dollar spot. I thought these would go great with my Valentine's Day coffee bar that I'm doing, so I had to have those. I picked up this little heart garland banner from the dollar spot, and it was $3, and I'm not sure, I want to have one to go over my sink, like in front of my window. I'm not sure if I'll use this or one other one that I found, but I thought this was super cute. Then I did pick up a couple little random things from Target that I thought my kids would enjoy. These are Valentine's Day related, actually. This one is. These are little Valentine adhesive BandAids, and I thought those were really darling, if it ever focuses. There we go. I thought those were really darling, and for Christmas my daughter got this Doc McStuffin doctor kit, So she's been going around and she likes to put band-aids on people and stuff, so I knew I had to get these for her, and she's just gonna love playing with these and having them in her little kit. Then I also got this little baby shark marker Imagine ink notepad, and this is something I'm gonna give her for Valentine's Day. And I thought it was really cool that it says that it's mess free and that it reveals the colors on the paper, and we are fans of Baby Shark, so got that. And last I got this breakfast set. It was $5, little wooden set, and it has like eggs and toast and bacon and everything, avocado, and I thought that would be super cute for her little kitchen that she got for Christmas. But that is all of the Target. Now let's get into the Dollar Tree. I'm always hollering for $1. Sometimes I'm lame, but hey, whatever. So the first thing I got from the Dollar Tree were these big foam hearts, and I thought these would be really cute to make Valentine's Day with, or to make, yeah, well, Valentine's with, not day, Valentine's with. And to go along with that, I got these heart dowlies, whatever you guys call them, dowels. And I thought that we could just glue this on top of this and make a really cute Valentine. And to go along with that, my daughter got some of these unicorn stickers with little hearts and everything, and she's gonna use that on her Valentines that she makes my parents and her great grandma. And then I also picked up 2 bags of these table scattered hearts that have the glitter, and I just picked up these because I am planning on doing a DIY with these. I saw on Pinterest where you can take branches, well, not big branches, but like twigs and stuff, and put them in a vase and hot glue these on to look like little buds. So I've been wanting to do that for the last couple years and I haven't, so I am planning on doing that this year. And Lord knows we got enough twigs in the backyard, you know, with our big old tree, that we can definitely get some cute things. But I also thought we could use these to make our Valentines with, or maybe I could make my own little garland with it. Next I got these 2 little tumbler cups, and this one is pink, or well, it's like a pinky purple, and it has the key to my heart with a little letter. So I got this one for my daughter, and for my son I got the little red truck and it says Happy Heart Day. And my kids just love cups like these, so usually for every holiday I try to get them a cute little cup, and they're only $1. So if we lose one or they end up, you know, spilling things and they don't work out and we have to go back to the normal sippy cups, it is okay. So they will be getting these for Valentine's Day. And then I got 2 more things from the Dollar Tree. Well, 1 more thing. I guess I got 2 of them. And this is not Valentine's Day related, but it is Easter related. So if you guys go into the store, make sure you pick them up now, because they do run out of stuff fairly quickly. These are the little foam shapes, and I thought this was really cool. It's a little kit to make a little Easter bunny, and I thought that was really cute. So I know my kids will love doing this, and I thought it was a really cute idea that it already comes in the kit, so you don't have to, like, you know, cut things to size or anything. It's all in here, so I thought that was really nice. Okay, well, that is everything that I found for Valentine's Day. Like I said, it's not a whole lot. I'm trying to do more minimal and be more intentional, so it wasn't a whole lot of stuff that I found, but I did find some good things, so I had to share them with you. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.